Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I will explain you to write Java code in VS Code, how to download Java development kit. First of all, you have to go the Chrome. After that, you have to search Java development kit. You have to click on this Oracle link. You have to scroll. Here you will get different links to download. If you have Linux, then download this. If you have Mac, then download this. If you have Windows, then download this. I I click on this link. This is download. This is downloading. It takes some time. Downloading is done. After that, you have to go the Chrome again. You have to search Visual Studio Code, install Java Pack. You have to click on this visualstudio.com link. You have to scroll bit. Install the coding pack for Java if you have Windows, and install the coding pack for Java you have if you have Mac. I click on this. Save. This is downloading. Downloading is done. Open this. Next, install. This is installing. Okay, install is finished. Download is done. Now you can write your Java code. Okay, thank you.